Model, 2016 Renault Trafic Sport SL29 Energy dCi 120 spares OR repairs open mouth smile. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 155,108. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 115E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is 100% fine, all good. Fully tested smiling face, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is below average. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, CAT-S. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or